So just going to pop these colours in really simply, just almost as just like shadows really. This is just bits of mixture on here. I'm not really worried about the colours, I'm just thinking in terms of tone. I don't want to be tonally too strong. I could just mix up a different colour here, but keep it quite, you know, loose and just suggested really. Same with this car, it's just a suggestion. Tyres could be a bit darker though. Just Payne's grey we're looking at here. Okay, we're not getting much from there, so we're going for the neutral. It's kind of a side on to this car, it's like a little mini or something. Over here, kind of joining these up. Just pop in these legs, join these figures together. That'll do. Same here, we can just start to join up a touch. These figures way in the background again. It's quite nice to have this light dark going on. I'll pop another leg in here. This character. And again, I must remember these shadows. Really important. They've got those marked out there. That'll do for the moment. Yeah, it's looking quite wonky, that, isn't it? Let's roughen that up a bit and just try and square that up. I think when I drew it, I was drawn from the side. Taking a picture from my computer, which is over on this left hand side. Just put a few dots and dabs in here. Just sort of mix it up a little bit. Couple of shadows on the side of these posts. Bit of rough brush there. Some bits and bobs on these. Keep these quite dry. This is a number 2 brush, by the way, Scott. Don't want to be too fussy with this. Some aerials, old analog aerials. There's another one coming up there as well. That's it. We will pop in a suggestion of a wing mirror in that. Okay, again, that just strengthen this character up on the right hand side a touch. Okay, that's quite good. And then we'll see if we can take out a notch there. I'm going to pop in a, it's not really a trick, it's just I haven't invented it, it's been around forever. Yellows, reds, blues are always good for taking the eye. We're going to go red because this character is closer, so I'm just going into CAD red, and we'll just make his bag, or bag of carrying here, red. Why not give him a couple of bags? So another bag here as well. Weighed down with the shopping. There we go. Great. We'll give this character over here a bag as well, but we keep this quite light tonally. Put a bag in there. go bag mad, but lots of shopping goes on, lots of tourists, lots of locals. It's just adding a little bit of colour. Just going to tone down this one. This character here. That'll take a while to dry. Leave this one white, leave this one white. Probably tone these two down as well. So competing a bit, and they've got the white of the car. Touch the windscreen. Coming in here. On this side there's going to be shadow. So we'll quickly pop a shadow in on that side. Shadow underneath. I'm not going to leave that white because that doesn't really work. We'll go blue again on that one. Keep it nice and cool and kind of understated on the windscreens. We'll have some blue in there. There we go. Put in some use shadows and just take them down a touch. I don't want the eye to go over here. You can use them as a light foil, but here's the way we want the eye to go. Okay, so we're going to need to wait for this to dry before we pop in the shadow work. Just put in a couple more stronger lines over here. There's a few benches over here, but I don't really, just leave those as bits and bobs. And we've got a few doors down the bottom there. There's quite a big door there. Yep, on the roof. One thing I can work on, use this Payne's grey mixture. Let's just try this in here. Perfect. We'll just pop in this roof, and I'm going to keep it really simple. Payne's grey is a great colour. It's got granulating properties as well, and obviously the yellow is done on purpose so we can have that shining through. Creates a bit of a glow. Lots of the roofs in France kind of curl up. There we go. Let's just leave that at that, I think. Yep, that'll do. Use those famous last words. Bits and bobs on here. Now I really have got to wait for things to dry before we can go back in to the next bit. Okay, that'll do. Let's stop for a moment.